Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. We're going to unbox this whole pallet. Now, what is it? I have no earthly idea. We ordered it from the ASD Market Week about a couple of months ago, and it finally arrived. They wouldn't deliver to a residential location, so it's really perfect that we got the retail location when we did. So this, I think, is some sort of home decor, but I can't quite remember, so we're going to find out together. Alright, so let's just get started. Get all this shrink wrap off. So this was actually an order that they never called me. I didn't know it was coming. We just happened to hear a truck outside, and suddenly there was a guy with a pallet.
This is what made our fire sale later.
Yes. The fire sale this last week.
We were about ready to start the fire sale, and all of a sudden, I looked out the window and I saw a truck sitting there, and I'm like, I bet you it's a delivery for us. And
yes, and we had no idea what it was. All right, so we're going to just start looking through some of these things. We're going to move some of these
I think
boxes.
this is a closeout company, Heather.
You think it's a closeout
That's
company?
what I think it is.
All right, let's see.
There's a whole bunch of randoms.
We're going to make these available on hookedonpickin.com, so you can go there to find everything. What is this? A game? A puzzle? A game.
End Zone Parlay.
End Zone Parlay, the next generation of fantasy football.
Hey,
It's like a
that's
card
cool.
game, and it looks like a football field there.
Yeah.
Ages 10 plus. It looks like it takes about 45 minutes to play, it says. I'm glad that they put that on games.
Yeah.
So, because you don't want to start a Monopoly game, if you don't have 4
Cool.
hours. So, cool.
Neat.
Alright, I'm going to leave this just like that.
I wonder if this is the Minnesota guy.
Is it the Minnesota guy, you think?
He had all kinds of zany stuff.
Yeah, I'm going to open this right here.
All right.
Well, I guess I will eventually. I can move it, but what in the... It's an animal. If it starts moving, I'm going to freak out. What in the...
I can't remember this anymore at all.
I don't even remember ordering this. 2 pieces.
What is it?
I don't know. Is it a backpack? It's a backpack.
It's a backpack?
With a little fluffy guy on it. See this little fluffy guy?
That looks like the Harry Potter owl. Is it Harry Potter?
Maybe. See, look. It's the first.
Of course it is.
Of course it is.
That makes
Are we
sense.
sure we ordered this? I don't remember ordering this at all.
I don't remember.
But we don't remember lots of things. We are self-proclaimed amnesiacs, I guess.
Hey, that's a great word.
Amnesiacs. I just made it up.
I'm going to roll with it.
The Manhattan Toy Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. So
Manhattan Toy Company is good company.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so
Kind of looks
fuzzy.
like the Harry Potter owl, though, doesn't it?
No,
I bet you that was
it's super soft,
trying to go
though.
off that.
I want to pet it. All right.
$1,000 a bag.
$1,000 back.
We didn't even know we had it.
Yep. All right. We have this one. Tiny little one.
Let's hope.
Good things come in small packages, right?
Sure. This is the Minnesota guy. Gotta be.
Yeah, because he had
all the weird,
tons of
quirky...
rando. What is this?
Yeah.
Doodats. It is
Doodats.
Salon Pets. You make little keychain things?
Yeah, it's little bead kits.
Oh, in the back it kind of shows. You make little people.
Yeah.
You can make Amanda, Bubbles, and Curly.
Of course you could.
You knew that, right?
$1,000 a piece.
$1,000. All right. What else is in here?
We can't lose this paper down here.
Oh, yeah. I better.
That's very important because
Then we know what
hopefully it
company
has
it's
prices and what we paid for this stuff.
from. Yeah, let me see. RKS Sales Group.
Yeah, that's probably what they were.
Okay.
Maybe?
That's what it says.
Not sure, Heather. Really, I'm not sure.
All right. All right, what's this? These are
More doodads?
doodats.
Boom.
Doodats. Bunch of doodats.
Didn't we get an RKS already?
I
Maybe
thought
not.
we got an RKS box.
Huh.
But maybe he has 2 locations and we got
I don't
one
know.
from one and one from another.
Good.
These are doodats.
More salon pets.
Yep. I think they're the exact same ones. All right. So you'll be able to find so far, these 2 items on the toys category of hookedonpickin.com.
There's a box that was a Kohl's purchase. It says Kohl's on it.
Really?
Right down there.
We're going to grab this one. This one says Wiggle Waggle Dog.
Of course.
Because everybody needs a Wiggle Waggle Dog in their life.
We better hope somebody wants it.
You want it, don't you? You're thinking, I'm going to buy it no matter what it looks like.
Wiggle Waggle Dog, of course.
Wiggle Waggle Dog?
I've been missing this in my life.
What in the...
Is it just one Wiggle Waggle Dog?
No, there's 2 in the box.
Ooh.
How big is this Wiggle Waggle Dog?
How big is this dog?
Maybe it's got too much wiggle for your waggle. I don't know what I'm
I don't know.
about.
I don't know where we're going with this.
I don't know either.
Oh, no.
Okay.
There we go.
Good.
It's a Wiggle Waggle.
Oh, it's so cute.
Look at him.
My bouncy fur wiggles when I walk. Oh, I play music and I bark and he walks.
Oh, this is going to be a good one.
It's battery operated. Oh, my word. Wiggle Waggle Dog.
Perfect.
I'm so excited. It uses 2 AA batteries. I'm so excited about the Wiggle Waggle Dog.
We probably just sold out.
Yep. Instantaneously. All right. Hopefully we have more than just this one box of Wiggle Waggle Dog.
Last time we got a robot dog, it sold out really fast,
Oh,
too.
yeah, I did. Get this off the corner here.
Is that more Wiggle Waggles?
I'm hoping. This one, it does not say Wiggle Waggle Dog on it. Memo pad. Boy, it's kind of in the
Same kind of configuration,
yeah,
huh?
it says there's 12 inside this box, though. But this is a much thinner box. Oh, these are cool.
What is it?
They're cupcake memo pads.
Oh, cool.
Aren't those cool?
This looks just like a cupcake.
Post-it note, but it's like little memo pads.
What is that, Kirkland? Don't they do all these kind of zany things?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Don't they do puzzles?
They do all kinds of little gadgets.
These are
That's
cute.
clever.
So for someone's birthday,
Absolutely.
if they work in an office, they need a cupcake.
Put that on the candy corner.
That would be a perfect thing on the candy corner.
Beautiful.
So we've got 12. I think there's how many boxes in here? So there's 36 total
Nice.
of those.
Nice.
All right. So far, I'm loving everything we got.
You know, we don't have that many products, really.
Yeah. Like I said, it'll all be on Hooked on Pickin. Is this more of that game?
I think so.
Yep. End zone parlay
More end zone.
game.
You must have got a deal on that.
This one.
Or everybody's going to want one.
Everybody wants one.
Everybody wants an end
This
zone
one
party.
says magic, science, and the word wizards.
Of course.
Everybody wants it.
You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry. That's like the only line you remember.
Yep.
Ooh. Magic science for wizards only.
Is that the front or the back? Oh, here we go.
Magic science for wizards only. Cast spells with a custom-made wizard or wizard wand. Mix up glowing, bubbling potions. Prepare. So it's got all this fun stuff you do.
Basically, does it make slime,
Cast color
basically?
changing spells. Yeah, I think so. It's like
Clever.
a slime, but it's...
And your wand does something.
Yeah. Cool.
Clever.
Little kit. Magic science kit. I know we must have bought them right. All right. This one says clock wood geometric. Was this the guy that had the clocks?
The crazy clock.
So they had these clocks that didn't even work, but they were like all wonky looking.
No, they worked. They just
worked.
didn't have any numbers, so you didn't know what time it was.
But then
This is probably what it is right here.
Yeah, he was trying to talk me into one, and I think I picked this one out because I liked it better. Yes.
Yeah, it's got no numbers on it.
Geometric wood clock. How fun is that?
Boom. Kirkland again.
Yep.
Yeah. You have to know where the numbers are.
Yes. I love this. Isn't
It's
that
not
awesome?
too horrible.
Well, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
It looks cool.
Hip and trendy.
Hip and trendy. Hip and trendy clocks. All right. What else we got in here? I love this palette. Oh, my goodness. Big box.
It was a big box. What do we got here?
I totally remember this. Super subtle snore stopper.
Yes.
Literally, this was the reason we stopped at
I
this guy's
think it
booth.
was.
I was like, I must have this.
So basically, you hit your spouse.
It's basically a
in the
punching bag
face.
on the end of a stick.
It's a glove.
Mm-hmm.
Punching glove.
Punching glove
Boxing
on the end of a
glove.
stick.
This is genius.
Isn't that amazing?
Dadgum genius.
I love it.
We're going to sell 1,000 of these.
1,000 of these.
Or however many is in this
We
box.
currently have 24.
Here you go.
All right. 2 more boxes. Let's go with this guy.
Careful now. Careful.
I know.
Foot gets caught. Heather goes down. That'd be bad.
Okay. Let's see what's in here. Can't cut in a straight line. There we go. Okay, so I think this
More
is more
science
of the science kits. Yeah,
Yeah.
magic, science, wizards only
Cool.
kits.
Those kits always go real
Yeah,
well.
they do. Well, I'll tell you, I'll look and see what is the age on it too. This one says, this magic science kit. People always ask me all the time, what's the age
Right.
on the kit? So let me just look real fast. Because this would be perfect boy gift. We have lots of girl gifts all the time. Let me see. It says, does it say? Ages 6+.
Beautiful.
So people ask all the time.
It's a boy or a girl gift,
Yeah,
really.
it's a boy or a girl kit, but you know, usually we have exclusively only girl stuff, and then so that's kind of nice. It can be for both. Okay.
Ooh.
More boxes.
Boxes in a box.
It's like a bonus unboxing.
Watch that knife there, girl. There you go. It's terrifying, isn't it? Heavy?
Right. Yes.
It's a board game.
It is a board game.
This might be... There was some game that he was just like, please buy some.
He totally did his job and talked us into
Yeah.
it.
He was just like, what?
Well, but I
Please-
think
please
I
buy some.
negotiated with
Yeah,
him.
you did.
And I brought him down on the price.
Heather's no joke in negotiation.
I'm like,
She
you
will
can't
cut
talk
your
me
throat.
into nothing unless you give me the right
She
price.
will punch you in the face.
I will use the snore
She
stopper.
will use the snore stopper.
And punch you.
She doesn't
in
even
the
care.
face.
She doesn't even act like she likes you. It's amazing. Boom! There it is.
Surkata Players 2. Time takes 10 to 30 minutes. Surkata is an Indonesian strategy game named after the ancient city of Surakarta in central Java. The game features a unique method of capture not known to exist any other recorded board game.
Cool.
Put your wits to the test and battle it out to become the champion. I kind of want to look.
So we
Hold
got
on.
several board games.
We did.
Does it have the back of it?
The back doesn't show anything, so that's why I'm going to open it and see.
Ooh, how to play. Very important.
Yes, let's see what the board. I'm just curious.
Boom.
And it's got all this other stuff in here. If I can get it out right there. Oh, it's a little box. Okay.
Looks like it's probably similar to checkers or
Yeah.
kind of a mixture. Probably checkers and chess, probably. That's what I'm going to guess.
It's like it says an Indonesian battle game.
Cool.
So it looks really cool. I bet it's a strategy kind of game.
Put this back in there.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Boom.
All right. You have an age on there?
37 years old.
2 at a time.
37 years old.
It doesn't have an age.
Boom. You have to be 37 to play the game.
Instructions, game folded board, 12 red counters, 12 black counters. Okay. Cool. So
Beautiful.
we have board games, football games, magic kits, and the walking dog.
Yep, the Wiggle Waggle.
The Wiggle Waggle dog.
We got some owl bags.
Oh, yeah, owl bags. What else?
We got some Cupcake.
Those cupcake. No,
Those are good. And some clocks without numbers.
Clocks with geometric shapes. Every math teacher will want to buy those.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So we had some fun doing this unboxing. FYI, do you want to show them a little bit of what we got on display down there? If you didn't get to see our video yesterday, check it out. We got Hammond's chocolate back in stock.
Glorious.
Oh, here's the other thing we got. These little doodad things.
Oh, yeah. Those will
Doodads,
sell.
yeah.
Those will all sell.
So we got a bunch of Hammond's chocolate.
Look at all the chocolate.
Candy, cinnamon drops, marshmallow drops.
Popcorn, suckers, cookies.
Oh, and these are Little Red Kitchen DIY kits.
Boom.
We currently have 2 in stock, sprinkle and chocolate chips. So go to the snacks and candy category. You can get those. And it tastes just like the Little Red Kitchen cookies, of which we also have some Little Red Kitchen in stock.
Kitchen cookies all over the place.
Yep, they're in here.
All over the place.
Yep, everywhere.
Holy cow.
So we got a bunch of stuff. Hey, also, fun thing, we actually started bringing some of our products from the our other location down to this retail location, and we're actually inventorying it. So we're slowly getting everything all taken care of. So we're super excited about that. But run to hookedonpickin.com, check the toy section for all the stuff we just unboxed, and the snacks and candy category for all of the stuff we unboxed the day before. So thanks so much for watching, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.